In this video, we'll show you a simple way to read your completed notes and export them out of Genio Notes into other formats. If you want to read through your notes without the distraction of the audio feed, from your event, click the Reading View button. This focus mode helps ease your cognitive load when reviewing your notes. If you'd like to print your notes from the Reading View, click the Print button. From here, you can either print a hard copy of your notes or save your notes as a PDF document. Handy if you need to share them with peers or add to a shared drive. Finally, if you want to export your notes to another program like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, click the Event Options button and select Copy Notes. Then navigate to your blank document and paste your notes in. Having your notes accessible in various formats means you can use your notes effectively, even outside of Genio Notes.